What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing a new impressions type of video. So I ordered a couple of stuff from Sephora since I had a VIB Rouge sale of 20% off. This is the box. I ordered a lot of stuff actually, but I want to mainly use some new... Oh, I love doing that. So, first thing, I ordered the new Nude Huda Beauty palette. I keep getting that mixed up. But yeah, it's I saw it inside. I didn't swatch it, but it was wow. And I heard such good reviews about it. And I decided to order some of her concealers. I ordered 2 shades. I ordered Coconut Flakes and Sugar Biscuits. So we're going to be trying that too, since I'm always using Tarte Shape Tape. And that's pretty much it. I want to use also other products, other brands. Well, okay, I want to use other products that I don't normally use either. So we're going to be doing that too. So I have my bare face. I wanted to just you know, use different products, because I know some of my past videos I was just okay, I have my base on, let's just get started on the eyeshadow and then I would do the rest, you know. But today I want to use completely new stuff. Oh, I did order the Tatcha the Silk Canvas Primer, so I finally ordered it. I had my 20% off, so I was like, why not? So you actually don't need a lot of products, so I'm gonna apply some. So this could go on your face, on your eyes, and on your lips, which is pretty cool. But I mainly just apply it in the areas where I want new skin. I find this gives a new face. It's really cool. I like it. You don't need a lot. So yeah, it is expensive, but you don't need a lot. So this will probably last me forever. So I'm excited to do this, guys. And I'm so excited to try her new palette, because when I opened her up, I was like, wow, amazing. So next thing, I'm going to use the MAC Strobe Cream in Gold Light. But I'm going to be using different products, a different foundation, different concealer. My powders, I don't have a lot of powders, so I usually just stick to the ones I have. And what else? Oh, a new highlighter. I'll try to use a blush that I haven't used yet. And contour, bronzer, stuff like that. So right now, my face is lighter. I did self-tan on Friday, but I guess because when I wash my face, it just tends to just fade. So anyways, I'm going to be using the Hourglass Stick Foundation. So this is in Ivory. I don't know if it's a little light on me, but I have a chromatic mix from Makeup Forever. So it's more of a yellow undertone. So I'm probably going to mix it with that just to make it a little darker. I'm just going to add these drops in the foundation. I'm super excited to try these new products. I'm super excited to just show you some new products that I'm using. I wanted to switch it around. This Hourglass, I haven't used it on my channel yet. And yeah, I was let's just use different stuff, right? I'm going to go with my Morphe sponge. And this has super good coverage, I find. I never really reach for it because, well, this is my winter color. Yeah, I ordered a few stuff. I even ordered some Huda Beauty liquid lipsticks. Oh, I just got this in my hair. Oh my god. Ew. It was like a holiday package that I saw online. It was her liquid lipsticks and her strobe lip glosses. So we have the foundation on. Oh, I kind of miss this foundation. I should start wearing it again. I'm gonna use the concealer now. I'm like really picky when it comes to concealers. Like I've tried a few and I'm like, eh, never bought them again. Honestly, the only one that I do like is the Tarte Shape Tape, and like I said in my favorites video, the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. So I'm gonna try her concealers. I don't know which one is my shade, which is why I bought two, but I figured like I can use them on clients too. So it comes in a tube, which is like pretty awesome, very sanitary. Okay, so from what I see, I feel like corn flakes, coconut flakes should be my color. So I'm gonna just jump into doing my brows. Just do my brows off camera. But I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids with the MAC Paint Pot Soft Ochre. Let's get ready. So nice. Like, look at all these shadows. Okay, there's even a concealer in this palette, which is pretty cool. Like, I've never seen that before. I don't really have a look in mind. I feel like doing something like maybe pink berry. Like, that would be cute. So I didn't use the concealer, but I mean, I'll use it maybe for next time. I think I'm gonna go with this shade here called Tickle. I'm gonna just put that on a, which brush do I have available right now? We'll put that on a 217 brush. Oh, okay. So first thing, there's a lot of fallout. So let's put that in my, oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, pretty. I really like the choice of colors. I'm gonna use this like as a transition shade. So far, very nice. I really like this color. I'm so excited. So I see that there's like 4 multi-reflective shadows, 2 pressed glitters, 1 pressed pearl, and 1 concealer base. Prep your lids with the concealer base. I do not do that, but I don't think it really matters. Like, I find the shadows are very powdery though, but I mean, it's not like a huge deal. I mean, even Anastasia's, like, hers has like a lot of kickback, but I guess that's just kind of a sign like that the shadows are very pigmented. This eyeshadow palette does retail for $85 in Canadian, which is super pricey, but all of her palettes are like at $85. I mean, it is a good formula. It has a huge mirror, you know, like, it's really nice. I have her Desert Dusk palette. I can't believe Christmas is coming up, guys. But you know what? I want to be I want to film like a couple of like holiday glams for you guys. Because I know last year, like, there was some holiday looks that I did. And like a lot of people were asking me like to do a tutorial, and like then I wasn't like doing YouTube. Okay, this one is, it's more glittery. I'm using Crave on my brow bone. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the 221 brush and I'm gonna dip into Spanked, which is this one right here. It's like a berry color. So I'm mainly just focusing it in the outer corner. So far, I'm really impressed with the eyeshadows. You see like the true color of it. They're blending very nicely. They're super pigmented. There is like kickback, but I mean, for me, when there's kickback, it means like it's a pretty good palette. I've ordered the Violet Voss Flamingo palette too. Like, well, what made me buy it was pretty much the colors. The colors are really nice. Okay, I'm gonna now go into the dark purple, which is called Love Bite. This one right here. Anywho, I bought the Flamingo palette. The colors are super pretty, but I was kind of disappointed in the pigmentation. I don't think it was that pigmented. Like, before using them on my eyes, I swatched them. I thought they were, like, some shimmers were, like, really sheer. I was like, okay, well, you know, that's not how, like, I don't have a base on my arm, obviously, like, you know what I mean? So I was like, okay, well, you know, I gotta test it out on my eyes. Like, it should probably be different, you know, and better. And I wore it on my eyes, like, not sure if I want to return it. I obviously use a base, like, who doesn't, right? On their eyes. But when I laid the shimmers on my lid, like, the shimmers were creasing on my eye. The colors are really nice, but you definitely need to build up the color. So I'm going back and forth with a clean brush to like blend out the edges. So yeah, I don't know what you guys did for Halloween. Let me know what you guys did in the comment section. I'm just curious. I was like super busy for Halloween. I had work, contracts. Okay, so I'm gonna add some Too Faced glitter glue on my eyelid. It's not glitter, but maybe it'll kind of intensify the shadow even more. It was fun. And then on Halloween day, I wasn't working. I was kind of alone with my sister. And we just like gave out candy. Well, we dressed up there. It was cute. Like, there was actually a lot of kids that came by. So yeah. I think I'm gonna go with Daydream, which is like right here. So I was looking at the colors again, and I was like, I swatched Daydream, and I was like, you know what, I think I want to put that on my lid. I'm gonna spray my brush with Fix Plus just to intensify it a bit more. Oh yes, oh yes. Okay, that's exactly what I was looking for. Okay. So now I'm going to go back into Love Bite. I'm just going to blend it. Okay. So I'm just going to pop some mascara on now. So mascara's on. I'm going to go with some concealer now. Well, I'm going to go with the Huda Beauty concealer. I'm going to use coconut flakes. Yeah, like, I don't know, I don't find it like liquidy. It's like more creamy. But they're pretty full coverage actually. But they're like thick, I find. I don't mind it. Okay, I'm gonna set my under eyes. Yeah, I really like the concealer. Okay, I'm just putting, I'm just setting my face with my mineralized powder. I'm gonna contour now, so I don't want to use my Anastasia contour kit. I'm gonna use my Kat Von D. It is a little broken, so that's why I have to be very careful. Well, a little broken, like a lot broken. Just gonna contour my nose a little bit. I'm just gonna clean up a little bit. So for blush, I'm gonna go with Sweet As Cocoa by MAC Cosmetics. And it does have like a nice shimmer to it. Okay, so for highlight now, I got this new highlighter from MAC Cosmetics, and I was like obsessed with it. So it's from the holiday collection. It is the Snow Flushed Extra Dimension skin finish. So it looks like this. Like, do you guys see that? It's so nice. So I'm going to just highlight my inner corner. I'm going to use from the Huda Beauty palette. I'll use Crave actually. And I'm going to pop some lashes on as well. So I'm just going to set my face. Okay guys, I'm just about to put some lipstick on. So I put the velour lashes in Fluff and Wispy, and I just put shadow on my lower lash line. I used basically the same colors I used in my crease. Tickle, and I used Spanked. Yeah, and Love Bite. I'm gonna go with the lipstick now. So I'm going with the lip liner Strip Down. Okay, so this, what is this called actually? Ooh, Flirt. It's a really nice like brown nude. The only thing is like it's super watery, which I don't know why. But I really like her formula. Okay, so for the lip gloss, it's a metallic lip gloss and it's called Snobby. Oh my god, that's so nice. Whoa. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm actually really impressed with the new Nude Huda Beauty palette. I think it's really good, really pigmented. The shimmers and the glitter seem very nice as well. I just heard really good reviews about it, but I mean, I did a look and I think it's really good. With the concealers, I think they're really good as well. Really full coverage. I think I'm gonna really love these concealers. The strobe lip gloss, I think they're really good as well. I don't know, oh there it is. So I have two shades, but I decided to use like the more pinky one because I thought it would like go better with the look. Even at that, I was like super surprised of how metallic it was. Like, not like metallic in a bad way, but it was just like really nice. Anyways, all these new products that I've tried out, I love them all. I would recommend these products to you as well. I think they're amazing. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I think that's about it because my camera keeps stopping and I'm getting really annoyed. So I'm just gonna end it now. Please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any thoughts, questions, or whatever it is. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!